How to make a thumbnail in Canva for YouTube. Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a thumbnail in Canva for YouTube. So let's get into it. First of all, you're going to go to canva.com and you can create an account on Canva for free, or you can get the Canva Pro. Creating an account is really easy. You can use your email address or your Google account and you will get an account on Canva. So on Canva, we can create logos, we can edit our videos, we will be able to create invitations and much more. With Canva, we also create YouTube thumbnails for free, and it literally takes like 5 to 10 minutes to create a very good thumbnail for your YouTube video to get more views and engagement. So let me show you how you can do it. First of all, once you get to canva.com, this is going to be your dashboard. So in your dashboard, you can actually either go and click on create a design and then click on custom size and select the size of your thumbnail. Or what you can do is, as a complete beginner, you can search for thumbnail in the search bar right here, and it will show you a lot of different templates that are available. You can see we have more than 17,000 templates on Canva, and there are free templates available too. All you need to do is just customize the text and you will get your template. You can see these kind of templates right here. We have this thumbnail here, then we have this kind of thumbnail, this one right here for a vlog. You can see very good templates are available, or you can start from the scratch too. So let's actually select a template from here. I will show you how to customize a template as well, or how to create one from the scratch. So to customize a template, let's actually go for this one right here. So you can see this is a thumbnail design that is already created for us. It's a template. And now all I need to do is just like simply change the text and I will get a thumbnail. So let me show you how we do it. For instance, the topic for my YouTube video is like top 10. For our YouTube channel, we create videos like this. So I'm just going to go for like top 10 SEO softwares. So you will add your text, and then what you're going to do is you're going to just customize it a little bit, adjust it like so, and put it here. And then we have like thumbnail here written, but I'm going to delete this. And here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the text, which is going to be heading again. And we can actually just get rid of that text and customize it. Review. So you can see a thumbnail is ready in just 2 minutes. Like literally in 1 minute, I have a thumbnail ready. We have this person here and we got the text. We got like a thumbnail ready. I want to change the background for this thumbnail. So we can change the color from here. We can even change this person. Then we have different elements that I can use. We can use different text. If I want to change the text font, you will just select the text from here, select the fonts, and you will customize completely. So this is how we customize a template on Canva to create a thumbnail. Now let me show you how to create a thumbnail from the scratch. So it's going to be really easy, quite similar. Let's go with the same topic, top 10 SEO softwares review. Let me show you how we create something like this from the scratch. So here, first of all, let's change the background color. So this time I'm going to go with a yellow color for the background because it kind of like gets your attention. So here we have the background. Now we're going to go to the text. In text, we're going to insert our text first, which is going to be top 10 SEO softwares. Let's actually go with one by one. So I'm going to go with top 10. Then we're going to add another heading. Why I'm going for different, text? Because it's easy to customize them then. SEO softwares review. So I have my text added. I will customize it now. So before I customize the text, I'm going to go to the elements and search for different elements that we have. Now it depends on you. If you want to add a person, let's say you want to add a woman on your thumbnail. So you're going to search for a woman, go to the photos, and here you will find a bunch of different women photos here. And what we can do is, if you're using Canva Pro, you will be able to remove the background too. For instance, I have this image right here. Like you can select any of these. We have this. So you can see we have this image. What I can do is click on Edit Image and click on Background Remover, and it will remove the background for me to add. Then I will just have this woman and I will add her to my thumbnail. So that actually becomes really easy if you're using Canva Pro. If you're not using Canva Pro, what you can do is you can go to the elements and you can go to the graphics section. You can look for women and then you can look for an image that doesn't have a background, or you can simply add an image in a frame, we can also do that. So there are different ways to add an image in the thumbnail. So I will just remove the background for this one and it will be ready. There you go. You can see now I have a image without a background. So for instance, this is like your own image. That's what I want to show you. You will upload your image. You go to the upload section on Canva, click on upload file and upload your footage here, and then you will just remove the background. So this is what it will look like. You will have your own image on the thumbnail. So we have our text. In our text, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the lines and shapes, and in our lines and shapes, I'm going to look for a shape, which is going to be this one here. And I will add this shape in the background. And because it is going to be something like this. So if you want to go for this, so you can add it. That's what I'm going to do. I will just place it here for top 10. Let's actually customize the text first and then I will add the background. So to customize the text this time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just select the text that we have and we're going to go to the bold section, make it bold. Then we're going to go to the, fonts. So for a thumbnail, the font should be really, prominent, and it should be bold, and it should be not italic, I would say, but you can go for an italic font too if you want to create like an aesthetic thumbnail for your, let's say for your vlogs. And if you have an aesthetic video, then you can go for fonts like that too. But for me, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go for this, font right here. So we will now expand it a little bit and place it here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add a background here. So you can see this is the background for this one. I can add another one of these and then I will change the maybe background color for this one. We can add right click and you will be able to send it in the background. So you can see this is what it will look like. I did the same thing. We selected this as a background and then I changed the color. Once you select an element, you can change the color for it. For instance, you just click on it and then you will be able to change the color and the size as well. Then what you can do is you can go to the element section here. In element, you can search for arrows. So once you search for arrow, you're going to switch to the graphics here. And in graphics, you can select this arrow here, or you can go for the others ones as well. You can see there are different types of arrows that we can add. So I kind of like went with this one here and then I added one here. Again, if you want to add like in thumbnail, you have something like from this to this, then you will add the arrow, and we have like this arrow here, which is very static. So different elements can be added with Canva. Once you have added it here, now you can see it looks pretty simple. What we can do is we can go to the element here and I can search for a gradient. And let's find a good gradient to add in the background. So you can see I'll go for the graphics because in graphics you can change the color according to your taste. So this one is a yellow gradient that I see. So what I can do is I can maybe add this one in the background to add a little depth to it. Or I can go with something else. We have this one right here. We have this type of gradient as well. So let's select this one and change the color. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to actually get rid of this gradient and let's select this one. And I'm going to actually add it in the background here like this. You can see now it has been added. What I will do is I will click on this transparent option and make it very transparent. First of all, let's actually change the color too. And I'm just going to give it a darker yellow color, not the same color as the background because then it will just blend in and it won't pop out. Let me have here. So for this one, again, I'm going to go with this color. So you can see this is the color now. It's also transparent. You can see I made it like, let's actually take it to 50 and we're going to send it to backwards. So you right click, send backwards, and it will be sent to the back. Now you can see it's in the background and this is what it looks like. We have like a pattern in the background now that's a little prominent and it's making our text and our image pop out a little bit. When it comes to the image, we can go to the elements again and maybe add, some sprinkles. Anything you want to, you can search on Canva. So let's see, we have these graphics here. Okay, this is the one that I was looking for. And what I'm going to do is I can add it here and we will change the color to white. So you can see this is what it looks like. I can now add more elements into it. and then I will be able to use this thumbnail. So you can see we have two thumbnails. This is the one, this is a template that I customized, and this is the one that I start created from the scratch. This is this kind of template, but we can also go for very cute templates as well. If for instance you have a vlog channel, then you will create something like this. For instance, I'm just gonna select it. There you go. You can see this is one of the thumbnails that you can go for. So all of these templates are available on Canva, or you can create something from the scratch very easily. All you need to do is just go to the elements, first upload the images, then in elements you will be able to add a lot of different things to your thumbnail and create high quality thumbnails for your YouTube channel. Once it's done, click on share, click on download, and download your thumbnail as PNG and upload on your YouTube channel. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.